The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S 4MATIC is the epitome of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. As the flagship sedan of the Mercedes lineup, it combines effortless power with opulent comfort, making it a top choice for those who demand the very best. From its refined design to its advanced features, the S 4MATIC sets a new standard in the luxury automotive world. Let's take a closer look at what makes this car so extraordinary. The 2026 S 4MATIC boasts a sleek, commanding presence with its long hood, flowing lines, and bold grille. The signature Mercedes-Benz styling is enhanced by modern touches like sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic contours, and elegant chrome accents. The sedan's proportions exude sophistication, while features like power-operated soft-closed doors and available AMG line styling add a sporty yet refined edge. Whether parked or in motion, the S-Class demands attention with its timeless yet contemporary aesthetic. Step inside, and the S 4MATIC surrounds you in pure luxury. Handcrafted materials, including premium leather, genuine wood, and brushed aluminum, create an ambience of exclusivity. The seats are supremely comfortable, offering massaging, heating, cooling, and extensive adjustability for both front and rear passengers. The cabin is whisper quiet, thanks to advanced noise insulation, while the expansive panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the meticulously crafted controls, reflects Mercedes-Benz commitment to excellence. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the 2026 S 4MATIC with the latest in automotive technology. The MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, infotainment system features a massive OLED touchscreen, augmented reality navigation, and intuitive voice control. The optional Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers concert-like audio quality, while the rear seat entertainment system keeps passengers entertained on long journeys. Advanced driver assistance systems, including semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, and automated parking, ensure both safety and convenience. Under the hood, the S 4MATIC is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering 496 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. The smooth-shifting 9-speed automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive system provide confident acceleration and traction in all conditions. The sedan glides effortlessly on the road, with an air suspension system that adapts to driving dynamics for a perfect balance of comfort and agility. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, the S 4MATIC offers a driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. In the S 4MATIC, with an array of cutting-edge systems designed to protect occupants. Standard features include adaptive braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. The PRESafe system can detect potential collisions and prepare the cabin by tightening seatbelts and adjusting seats. Night vision assist and rear side airbags further enhance protection, making this sedan one of the safest vehicles on the road. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S 4MATIC is a masterpiece of engineering, blending power, luxury, and innovation into one extraordinary package. It's a car designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life, offering an unmatched driving experience with every detail meticulously crafted. If you're looking for the ultimate luxury sedan, the S 4MATIC is in a class of its own. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S 4MATIC. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible cars on Next Car YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next review, where we'll explore another automotive masterpiece. See you next time.